Hey guys, this video tutorial is going to help you complete task one for module 10, lesson one, and that's on deriving and applying formulas for circumference. So this goes under the build understanding. All right, let's see. First thing I'd like to talk about is circumference. Now, circumference of a circle is like the perimeter of a rectangle. So it's the distance around a figure. So you think about a basketball rim circumfer. It kind of has that word rim in there a little bit if you look for the sound. So think about the rim of a basketball hoop. That's the outer part, obviously. That's what we're measuring when we measure circumference. Take any circle, you're measuring the outside distance of it. Okay. So we're going to find some circular objects that have circular faces. Okay. So I've come up with some for you. So you hopefully you're watching this video before you do the assignment. Otherwise, you might not really know what to do. All right. And we're going to fill in this little table. We're going to list the names. I've measured them for you. I've measured the circumference and the diameter, but if you'd like to go back and find some of your own objects, I can explain how I did that. And we're going to talk about the ratio and the circumference to diameter. And we're going to write that ratio as a decimal. So they give us an example here of a small bowl, okay? And they measured the circumference. So they took a tape measure and they measured around the outside of it, and they got 16 inches. And then they measured the diameter. They measured right from one edge through the center to another edge, to the opposite edge, I should say. And they took that circumference and they divided it by the diameter, or C, divided by D, and they got 3.2. 16 divided by 5 is 3.2. Okay. So I went ahead and I did some for you as well. So I just took a general coffee cup from around my house. Okay. Let's see. I measured its circumference and it was about 11 inches. Okay. And I measured its diameter. I went right through the middle and I got 3.5 inches. All right. So let's see. What is C divided by D? 11 divided by 3.5. And I got this number 3.142. So I'm going to round that. That's like 3.1, 3.2. I'm going to round it to two decimal places. I'm going to put 3.14 here. Okay. And then I found a big frying pan that I had. Okay. And my frying pan actually had a circumference of about 32 inches. Okay, I rounded it, came up a little bit higher there, okay, and had a diameter of 10 inches. And let's see. So I physically wrapped my tape measure around that frying pan. That's how I measured it. And measuring the diameter, I just went right through the middle of it. So let's see, 32 divided by 10. And I got 3.2. Okay. So 3.2. All right. And then I have this big mini trampoline for my kids that they love to bounce on it all day long. Okay, so mini trampoline. All right, and so let's see. The circumference of that was like 126 inches, and I measured the diameter of that, which was much easier to measure the circumference, and I got 40 inches. Okay. So now I'm going to take 126 and I'm going to divide it by 40. And what I got? 3.15. Okay. What do you notice about all of these numbers? 3.2, 3.14, 3.2, 3.15. What do you see? What do you notice about all of them? There's something that they have in common. There's something that they have similar to each other. And that's kind of what the answer is here. All right. Describe what you noticed about the ratio C divided by D in your table. Does the relationship between the circumference and the diameter of a circle appear to be proportional? Explain. So I'm looking forward to reading your answers. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching this first video.